tested. So I have sent the research papers. So theme is this research paper is abstract. The concept of the human biofields uh, encompass the substantial energy systems and influence the physical, emotional, and spiritual health and the traditional route the incident healing the systems. Modern science investigate the quality in biofields and using the advanced instruments such the gas discharge and the visualization just like a GDV cameras. Okay, sir. So now the measurement using instrument like GDV, EPI, aura cameras, HRF analyzers. So we have challenge and complementary the medicine fields. So now the first is the what is the human biofields, aura and prana and chi. And this is the human biofield is basically human being the believe the existence of the different type of a we have the field surrounding the bodies refer the auras. This is the term describe the what is the main uh, energies and the biological functions. So in traditionally we have healing the Reiki and Ayurveda operate on the manipulation of the fields and interested this. And the electric and magnetic field of human bodies are complex and dynamic of the associate the dynamic process, heart and brain functions, blood and the lymph flow and across the membranes and the many biological process and different scales. So now that is the biofields, and this is the effect the human influence health and wellness and traditional system uses the healings and modern instruments explores these validities. Now the what is the understanding the biofields. So biofield is the complex field of the electromagnetic and substantial energies and surround the and penetrate the human bodies and recognize the NIH the interact the health studies. So this is the some points we have the understanding the biofields. So now that the commercially conventional science and medicines have a long and electromagnetics ECG and the EEG is the psychological function of the heart and brains. So produce the concern the muscle cells and the electrical activities. So nowadays we have a GSR, a Galvin skin response, measure the electrical conductance between the two electrodes between the skins. Now the instrument to measure the biofields. So first is the GDV. So GDV is the corona discharge visualizations and EPI map psychological emotional energies, aura camera electromagnetic color displays, and HRV access emotional states and by the heartbeats. So now that the we have a different frequency range of the our classification biological effects. So just like a example, you have a 0 hertz is a direct currents and non-ionized biological effects, and the ELF frequency, extreme low frequency, non-ionized 0 to 300 kilohertz. Then the microwave and radar bands. Then we have ultra bands, X-ray and gamma rays. So role of energy healers, use the intention and touch the influence energies, measure the change in client HRV, GDV and EEG cameras, standardize and replication needed. So main challenges of the measurement of the human biofields that is called in the technical language that is the human auras. So every human auras we can see the different science equipments. One we have discussed in GDV camera. Kalian photography is also in Russian scientists. We can find out. So lack of protocol standardizations, limited scientific acceptance, environmental and psychological influence, and no regulatory certifications. So this is the some of the important points with measurement of the challenge. Now the application and future direction point views. So we have used the complementary and integrative cares. And nowadays we have used the AI tools. So AI for the pattern recognition and analysis, and bridge between the traditional and the medicines. So you have the important parts. And finally we have we have find out the some chakra, and find out the we have a different chakra and energies, and calculate the colors and the energies and frequencies, one dimension, two dimension, three dimension. Nowadays the much more healers we can use the 5D, 6D. So about the different chakra. So now that finally we have conclusion, biofield research blend the science and traditional instruments show the promise insight and further research need for the validations. So now the measurements of the human biofield through the rooted in the incident healing wisdom, and again the food in the modern scientific expression instruments such as the DDV, and provide the promise avenue of qualify the substantial energies associated with the health and disease, and challenge remain to achieve the scientific legitimacies and continuous interdisciplinary research and the full potential biofield science providing the holistic well-being. So this is the my side is conclude, sir. So simple presentation in human biofield, sir.
Thank you so much, Dr.